Mmhmm. I came up with the idea of this recipe while eating a Saheena, and I was thinking about a way to use the Dasheen bush to create a similar snack that was less oily. So I thought about using cornmeal and treating the combination of flavors like Coocoo and Callaloo. Starting off with the Bhagi, place the leaves flat on top of each other and roll them into a bundle. Cut them into long thin strips, or as they would say in the culinary world, chiffonade. This would allow the leaves to cook faster. To a pot, add some oil. Saute onions until translucent. Add garlic and pimentos and saute for a minute. Add tomatoes, shadon beni, then season with salt and black pepper. Add the Dasheen bush leaves and stir in the pot to distribute the aromatics evenly. Cover and allow it to cook on low heat for 25 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare the dough for the arepas. I have 2.5 cups of water and I'm gradually adding my cornmeal while stirring it to create a smooth mixture. Once it's combined, transfer to your countertop or flat surface and knead for about a minute or until the dough is smooth. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Distributing the dough into even portions should give you 6 arepas that are about 3.5 inches in circumference and about 1/2 inch thick. You want to heat up a frying pan or griddle and cook the arepas for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. Stuff the arepas with your Bhagi filling and enjoy warm. While testing this recipe, I thought it would be a nice addition to do like a shredded stewed chicken or shredded stew beef. So feel free to experiment and add your own twist to this recipe. Full recipe can be found on the website eatahfoodtt.com, and if you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you do try this recipe, post your photos to Instagram and tag us at eatahfoodtt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.